Danby refrigerator model DAR026A1BDD repairs. Danby 18-inch freestanding compact refrigerator with 2.6 cubic feet capacity, 3 wire shelves, right hinge with reversible doors, automatic defrost adjustable wire shelves, eco-friendly refrigerator. Repairs. For the home, kitchen and beyond, Danby manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of Danby appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Does not work. No power to unit. Check connection of power cord to power source. Power cord is unplugged. Plug-in unit. Wrong voltage is being used. Use proper voltage. Freezer runs continuously. Temperature set too low cold. Set temperature control to warmer setting. Lid is not closed. Close lid securely. Hot food was inserted. Be sure food is at room temperature before inserting. Lid open too long or too often. Minimize lid openings duration. Close proximity to heat source or direct sunlight. Do not place unit close to heat sources or direct sunlight. Quick freeze function is set. This is normal.